Hey guys, today we're taking a look at a couple of tablet stands under 30 bucks. There are a ton of tablet stands out there with different price points and different styles. However, I want to find something that gives me the best value for the price. So here's what I picked up: the Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand in silver, and the Joby GripTight Micro Stand for smaller tablets in black. Let's start with this one, the Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand, which is well under the $30 budget, coming at a price point of $17.99. The box is pretty unusual. It's a right trapezoidal prism rather than your traditional rectangular box, so it'll give you this somewhat premium feel as a first impression. Opening up the box, you'll immediately see the Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand and a small packet with some documentation inside of it. Now let's get to the stand. Whoa, this is a really good looking stand. Yeah, this looks way better than I had expected. As for first impressions, I'm speechless. This thing looks great. So after awing at this thing in amazement, here's what I've got to tell you. The presentation of this tablet stand is exceptionally great. This tablet stand is rocking an aluminum alloy build, some rubber grips to protect both your tablet and the stand itself, and is fully adjustable. However, looks aren't everything. I've got a bunch of tablets here to test with this new tablet stand I got, so let's see how the Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand holds up. Let's start with the Nintendo Switch. Since the Nintendo Switch has a small and light tablet-like form factor, of course, this tablet stand holds it up no problem. Now, it is odd to be using a Switch on a tablet stand like this one since it has a kickstand already, but since the Switch is rocking a 6.2-inch display, this should give you an idea of how really big phones or really small tablets should look like on the Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand. Now let's move on to the iPad mini. This still fits under the small tablets division, but it's noticeably larger than the Nintendo Switch, coming at you with a 7.9-inch display. Needless to say, the Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand holds the iPad mini just fine thanks to its small, lightweight build. So as for smaller tablets, I think the Lamicall S1 passes the test. Next, we've got an iPad Pro with a 9.7-inch display. The Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand is still doing great, but this is where we start to see some minor annoyances. As the weight of these tablets increase, we're starting to see some wobble when using larger tablets with this stand. The 9.7-inch iPad Pro comes in at just under a pound, and we're beginning to see a reasonably small amount of wobble with the Lamicall S1. On another note, the larger screen size makes the 9.7-inch iPad Pro harder to use in a portrait orientation. It's sitting just fine when the iPad Pro's in a landscape orientation, but when it's in portrait, I find myself getting anxious about this thing flipping over. Continuing on, we've got a Microsoft Surface RT. So the Surface RT is rocking a 10.9-inch display and weighs just a little bit more than half a pound. Like the 9.7-inch iPad Pro, the Surface RT sits well in a landscape orientation with minimal wobble. However, put this thing in a portrait orientation and the wobble will be out of control. So large tablets with a screen size of 10 inches or higher are better off being used in a landscape orientation with the Lamicall S1. Now for most people, this tablet stand would most likely be put to use alongside an iPad, a Surface Pro, or some kind of Android tablet under 10 inches. So this is where they would draw the line. However, Lamicall claims that this thing can hold a tablet or tablet PC up to 13 inches. So let's try out one more device. Here we've got the Microsoft Surface Book. It's a 2-in-1 Windows PC with a 13.5-inch display. Can the Lamicall S1 tablet stand hold it? The answer is yes, both with and without the keyboard base. However, the wobble is insane with the DGPU keyboard base attached. We're looking at a 13.5-inch tablet with a weight of almost 4 pounds with the keyboard base attached. So the Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand is holding up very well with the Surface Book seated in a landscape orientation. Unfortunately, a portrait orientation can't even be attempted with a tablet PC this size. So this is where I see Lamicall S1's limit. Now the Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand presents itself really well, but can the other tablet stand I got even compare? Here's the Joby GripTight Micro Stand for smaller tablets. Now as for first impressions, this stand looks pretty cheap for how much it's on the market for. The Joby GripTight Micro Stand for smaller tablets comes in at $29.95, which is just at our $30 budget, but way more expensive than the Lamicall S1. So since this is for smaller tablets, I won't be able to use this thing at all with my iPad Pro, my Surface RT, and definitely not with my Surface Book. Phones can't be used with this thing either, so that was an unexpected letdown. However, this can be used with my Nintendo Switch and my iPad mini, so at least it gets the job done where it's advertised. Now, I did get this stand when it was on the deal zone on B&H Photo Video, so the price came down to under $8, which is definitely a much more reasonable price for what you're getting. However, if you were to buy this tablet stand at full price right now, I don't think it would be worth it at all, especially with the Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand destroying this thing in terms of presentation and build quality. And that's it! 2 tablet stands under $30. Are they worth the money? The Lamicall S1 definitely is, but the Joby GripTight Micro Stand? Maybe not. But both tablet stands are able to do their jobs. Anyway, thanks for watching. Drop a like if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. My time is up, so I'll see you guys again in my next video.